Crestafire GCS 1001PA is a pre-accelerated, low-smoke fire-retardant, intumescent polyester gel coat designed for spray application. Open the GCS 1001PA and stir well by hand or with a low shear stirrer to avoid aeration, and then allow to stand to regain thixotropy. In the event of any filler sedimentation occurred during storage, make sure this is completely redispersed again in the gel coat before use. Ensure the gel coat attains a workshop temperature of 23 to 25 degrees Celsius before use. Prepare the mold by application of an appropriate release agent. The recommended catalyst is a medium reactivity MEKP, such as Catalyst M, which should be added at 1% to 1.5%. GCS 1001PA should be sprayed in long, even, vertical and horizontal passes, starting with a mist coat and then building up thickness in passes of 100 to 150 microns until a total thickness of 500 microns is achieved. At 25 degrees Celsius, GCS 1001PA is ready to be backed up approximately 1 hour after gel coat application. To ensure adequate adhesion between the gel coat and the backing resin, lamination must occur within 24 hours from gel coat application. Crestafire P13001PA is a filled, pre-accelerated, fire-retardant unsaturated polyester resin suitable for use in hand lay, contact molding and closed mold applications, including RTM and vacuum infusion processing techniques. Crestafire P13001PA must be thoroughly stirred and allowed to attain workshop temperature of 18 to 23 degrees Celsius before use. The recommended catalyst is a medium reactivity MEKP, such as Catalyst M, which should be added at 1 to 2%. Acetyl acetone peroxide type catalyst can also be used when faster demold time is required. Start laminating with the catalyzed Crestafire P13001PA. At 20 degrees Celsius, the gel time of Crestafire P13001PA with 1.5% Catalyst M is approximately 37 minutes. Gel time will vary at different temperatures and catalyst levels, so these factors need to be considered to ensure the gel time is long enough for application. For optimum properties and to achieve the highest fire performance, the laminate should be post-cured before being put into service. The laminate should be allowed to cure for 24 hours at 20 degrees Celsius and then be oven cured for 16 hours at 40 degrees Celsius or 3 hours at 80 degrees Celsius. Demold the panel once cured.